Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Today, we're going to be taking a close look at the Tuya WiFi Smart IR Remote Control Smart Life app. This incredible device is a game changer when it comes to home automation and convenience. With voice control compatibility that works with Alexa and Google Home, you'll be able to control your devices with ease, making your life so much simpler. But that's not all. The Wi-Fi connectivity means that you can control your devices from anywhere using your smartphone. No more worrying about whether you turned off the AC or the TV before leaving the house. It's all right there at your fingertips. And the universal compatibility is a huge plus. This remote is compatible with a wide range of devices, including TVs, DVDs, and ACS, making it a versatile and practical choice for any home. One of the best features of the Tuya WiFi Smart IR Remote Control is the Smart Life app, which allows you to easily manage your devices and control them remotely. You'll have a high level of flexibility and convenience that you simply won't get with any other remote control. Now, I know you might have some questions about whether this remote is right for you. Let me put those concerns to rest. Although the intelligent remote control only supports infrared remote control and doesn't support Bluetooth or RF, it does have a massive IR code database that supports 4,000 plus brands and 50,000 plus IR codes on the cloud. The setup is super easy, and you can control your home appliances by using the Smart Life app on your smartphone, anywhere, anytime. And with the voice control feature, you can take control of your home appliances with a simple voice command. It's that easy, and if you are worried about compatibility, don't be. This remote works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, Yandex Alice, and a whole host of other third-party control systems. So, if you're ready to take your home automation to the next level, click on the link in the description below and grab your very own Tuya WiFi Smart IR Remote Control. It's time to make your life easier and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.